The Terracotta Army is a collection of life-size terracotta sculptures depicting the armies of Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of China. They were discovered in 1974 by local farmers in the Shaanxi province and are considered one of the most significant archaeological finds of the 20th century. The Terracotta Army is a collection of thousands of life-sized clay soldiers and horses created to accompany the first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, in the afterlife. It was buried with him in 210 to 209 BC and remained hidden until its accidental discovery in 1974. The army is a remarkable archaeological and historical treasure, providing valuable insights into the military, art, and culture of ancient China. In 1974, local farmers in Lebanon, China stumbled upon the incredible discovery of the Terracotta Army, a collection of thousands of life-sized clay soldiers, horses, and chariots that were created to protect the first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, in the afterlife. This remarkable find has provided unique insights into ancient Chinese art, culture, and military practices. The excavation process of the Terracotta Army involved meticulous and painstaking techniques to carefully unearth the ancient sculptures. Archaeologists used delicate tools and brushes to uncover the intricately carved figures, ensuring their preservation and protection from damage. The discovery of the Terracotta Army in China is of immense significance as it provides a remarkable insight into the ancient Chinese civilization, art, and military tactics. The thousands of life-size terracotta soldiers, horses, and chariots buried with Emperor Qin Shi Huang reveal the sophisticated craftsmanship and organization of the Qin dynasty. This archaeological find has not only offered valuable historical knowledge but also sparked global fascination and admiration for its cultural and artistic achievements. There are various types of warriors in the army, including infantry soldiers who engage in close combat, cavalry soldiers who fight on horseback, artillery soldiers who operate heavy weaponry, and special forces soldiers who conduct covert operations. The preservation and restoration efforts of the Terracotta Army involve meticulous cleaning, stabilizing, and reconstructing the ancient clay warriors to ensure their long-term conservation. The Terracotta Army site in China is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a significant archaeological discovery. The site is well preserved and continues to attract millions of visitors annually, offering a glimpse into ancient Chinese history and culture.